Wondering which angle grinder machine brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your angle grinder machine purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, 𝐁𝐿 angle grinder machine brand faces customer is not satisfied. Second, 𝐁𝐿 angle grinder machine brand grapples with poor quality. Third, Build-Skill angle grinder machine brand encounters heating issues. Fourth, 𝐁𝐨𝐬𝐜𝐻 angle grinder machine brand confronts poor quality. And fifth, Stanley angle grinder machine brand suffers from quality issue, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended angle grinder machine brands, including first one, Bosch angle grinder machine, second, Black+Decker angle grinder machine, third, Dewalt angle grinder machine, and fourth, 𝐈𝐁𝐿 angle grinder machine. Let's see the comparison. Let's explore the power outputs from different brands and see what sets them apart. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine boasts a robust power output of 670 watts, while Black+Decker angle grinder machine surges ahead at 820 watts, with Dewalt and 𝐈𝐁𝐿 angle grinder machine leading the pack at an impressive 850 watts each. High-speed performance for efficient grinding. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine reaching 11,000 RPM, Black+Decker angle grinder machine exceeding at 12,000 RPM, while Dewalt and 𝐈𝐿𝐿 angle grinder machine both maintain a formidable 11,000 RPM. Optimal disk size for various tasks. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. All 4 angle grinder machines, each boasting a robust design and versatile functionality, share a common disk diameter of 100 mm, ensuring uniformity and ease of use across the range. Secure disk changes with these. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. The convenience of a spindle lock button is a standard feature across all 4 angle grinder machines, ensuring effortless and secure disk changes for enhanced user efficiency. Extended reach for flexibility. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. The wire length for all 4 angle grinder machines is standardized at 2 meters, providing ample reach and flexibility for various worksite applications. Quality assurance from trusted origins. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine originates from Germany, while Black+Decker and Dewalt angle grinder machine hail from America, with 𝐈𝐿𝐿 angle grinder machine proudly representing India's contribution to the global market. Compatible threading for accessories. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine utilizes an M10 thread. Black+Decker angle grinder machine also features an M10 thread. Dewalt angle grinder machine adopts an M14 thread, and 𝐈𝐿𝐿 angle grinder machine employs an M10 thread, catering to diverse user preferences and applications. Robust construction for tough jobs. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. The material type for all 4 angle grinder machines encompasses both plastic and metal variants, ensuring versatility to accommodate a wide range of applications and user preferences. Lightweight design for effortless handling. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine weighs 1.5 kg, Black+Decker angle grinder machine 2.5 kg, Dewalt angle grinder machine 0.3 kg, and 𝐈𝐿𝐿 angle grinder machine 1.6 kg, offering users options tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Great deals for added value. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine offering a discount of 43%, Black+Decker angle grinder machine providing 46% off, Dewalt angle grinder machine offering a discount of 47%, and 𝐈𝐿𝐿 angle grinder machine extending a discount of 14%, allowing consumers to benefit from attractive deals tailored to their budgetary preferences. Highly rated by satisfied users. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch angle grinder machine accumulating 24,139 ratings, Black+Decker angle grinder machine earning 12,912 ratings, Dewalt angle grinder machine amassing 10,163 ratings, and 𝐈𝐿𝐿 angle grinder machine receiving 2,395 ratings, reflecting their widespread popularity and customer satisfaction levels. Smooth operation for reduced fatigue. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch and Black+Decker angle grinder machine excellent in vibration control, providing users with a good level of stability and comfort, while Dewalt and 𝐈𝐁 angle grinder machine offer average vibration control, ensuring satisfactory performance during operation. Durable construction for lasting performance. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. The build quality of Bosch, Black+Decker, and Dewalt angle grinder machine is renowned for its excellence, ensuring durability and reliability in every use, while 𝐈𝐁 angle grinder machine build quality is also commendable, offering a good standard of construction. Added protection for worry-free use. Let me see the comparison of each angle grinder machine brands. Bosch and Black+Decker angle grinder machine offering a standard 1-year warranty, Dewalt angle grinder machine extending theirs to 2 years, and 𝐈𝐁 angle grinder machine providing a 6-month warranty, ensuring customers have options to suit their preferences and needs. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 angle grinder machine brands. These angle grinder machines excel at effortlessly cutting, grinding, and shaping metal components with precision. From rebar to concrete, tiles to bricks, these angle grinder machines tackle various materials with ease, ensuring efficient cutting. With their robust performance, these angle grinder machines are adept at removing rust, scale, and old welds, restoring surfaces effortlessly. Trusted by automotive repair professionals, these angle grinder machines deliver precise results for intricate tasks. Perfect for metalworking enthusiasts, these angle grinder machines offer versatility and power for a range of applications. Whether it's shaping, smoothing, or cutting, these angle grinder machines are indispensable tools for woodworking projects of any scale. Recognized as the most sought-after brand online, these angle grinder machines combine quality and reliability for user satisfaction. Engineered for masonry and stonework, these angle grinder machines provide the finesse and power required for intricate tasks. From pipe cutting to beveling, these angle grinder machines ensure precise results, making them indispensable in various industrial applications. With their capability for surface preparation, these angle grinder machines are indispensable for achieving smooth finishes before painting or coating. Ideal for home improvement and DIY projects, these angle grinder machines empower users to accomplish tasks efficiently and effectively. Essential for construction and renovation projects, these angle grinder machines offer the power and versatility needed for demanding tasks on site. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Bosch angle grinder machine holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Black+Decker angle grinder machine holds strong 4.5 star rating. Dewalt angle grinder machine holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and 𝐈𝐁 angle grinder machine has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: angle grinder machine, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before purchasing an angle grinder machine, it's imperative to scrutinize its rotational speed, disc diameter, safety features, online ratings, build quality, and warranty to ensure optimal performance and long-term satisfaction. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.